Hope this video helps. Check out the playlist Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. All right, I'm going to replace this light fixture with this clear glass light fixture here, model OMTZT-002. Go ahead and shut off your light switch. You should also turn power off at the circuit breaker so somebody doesn't accidentally turn the light switch on while you're working on it. Time to take this fixture down. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and check the wires, make sure that there's no power here. With my voltage sniffer, it'll light up red if there's any power here. It lights red when you tap it against anything, but it'll stay solid if it's detecting any voltage and there's none there. Let's go ahead and take this bracket off. Now with the bracket out, I'm going to go ahead and pull the wires down. And then before I even undo the wire nuts, I want to double check again that there's no voltage. We're good. And you want to probably save the wire nuts because usually the ones that come with light fixtures don't seem to be big enough. So I will be reusing these yellow wire nuts. Alright, so here's the base that is going to be used for the light fixture. I'm going to go ahead and remove this bracket right here that holds it to the electrical box. And then now I can put this up in the electrical box. Looks good. Alright, time to connect the base of the fixture here. I like to start with the ground wire. Stress that one out the most. Put a lot of wraps around that one, because it can handle it because it's bare. And make sure you get the wire all the way to the end so that the wire nut has something to grab onto when it's screwed on. And now just match the white to white and the black to black. Alright, give your wires a good tug, make sure that they're in there good. So now go ahead and just shove your wires up into the electrical box and make sure that they're not in any pinch point positions with the base to the bracket here. Alright, it's up there solid. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this nut off here, this plastic nut. Alright, that's up there nice and tight. Now it's time to test it out. Woohoo! There it is. Fancy. If you want to connect with me, I have a public group called Share Your Trade on MeWe. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. You can leave pictures, comments, videos, whatever. Please join. Thanks for watching.